Welcome to the Glimpse GRANITE tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basic features of the software. You can open an experiment from the App menu or by clicking the Open Experiment button. Select the experiment to run and click Open. Once the experiment is loaded, a tab is displayed for each environment. In this experiment, we have only one environment named Map. Species, reaction, and enzyme details will be displayed in an information panel and visualized in the graph view. In the graph view, orange nodes represent species, blue nodes represent reactions, and green nodes represent enzymes. The size of the orange and green nodes represents species and enzyme concentrations, respectively. The larger the node, the higher the concentration. The size of the blue nodes represents the reaction rate. The larger the node, the higher the reaction rate. Relationships between the species, reactions, and enzymes are represented by edges in the graph. Edges are drawn from reactants to reaction, and also from reaction to products. You can pan by clicking and dragging an empty part of the graph. You can also zoom in and out using the mouse's scroll wheel. And you can select a node by left-clicking on it. When a node on the graph is selected, the names of the selected node and its neighbors are revealed. Green edges are drawn from predecessor nodes to the selected node, and pink edges are drawn from the selected node to its successor nodes. For example, if the selected node is a reaction, green edges connect the reactants to the selected reaction, and pink edges connect the selected reaction to its products. The information panel consists of 3 tabs: species, reactions, and enzymes. Clicking on a table row selects and centers the graph on that node. The node's neighbors are also displayed. The data can be sorted by clicking on the table headers. You can mark nodes you are interested in by clicking on the checkboxes under the tracked column. This makes it easier to view only the nodes you care about. Glimpse GRANITE provides charts for reaction rates and metabolite concentrations. To view these charts, click the Display Charts checkbox. The concentrations of the tracked species and enzymes are shown. Experiments are loaded in a pause state. To start an experiment, click the play button. To pause the experiment, click the pause button. At any time, you can set the concentration of the selected species or enzyme. You can also set the simulation scheduler. To save the current state of the experiment, click the Save button.